What is going on, YouTube? I've been getting a few requests on my Instagram, mostly for creating figure drawings or poses of figures. And usually when I do that, I have these two pencils. This one has a blue lead. This one has the regular lead. And usually when I'm making or designing my figures or drawing them, I start out with the head first. But I usually do boxes. And what I do is I'll put one box like this. I can have another one like this. Crossed out. Then I like to add this in here. This is for where the abs will be. And this is also for where the abs will be on the bottom here. Also that. So now when I'm adding in the anatomy to this, which is not going to be too perfect since I'm just demonstrating on this, I'll just take and I'll put like a circle here for the arm. I have another one here for the neck. And also the head. So I have them kind of looking in the weird upshot pose. And when drawing or practicing poses, you have to keep them fairly anatomy accurate, but it doesn't have to be too accurate, only especially if you're practicing. So do that. Neck there. So I guess I'll put this down here. Wherever these circles are that I put are usually where the direction of where the arm's going to go. So like that. Always put a cylinder here for one arm, a cylinder up here for the other arm. Reaching up. Then for this arm, now when I'm putting this together, you have to think about different curves. So I have so it's obviously twisting. So it's twisting this way, and this is going this way. So I'll just take and put this here for that, for the back area. Then as this curves in, another curve here for the butt. This also curves in. This curves out. A little twist in there. We'll have the chest. And the chest goes into it kind of goes into the shoulder blade. But when since the arms are cylinders, the shoulders don't, because some people will have shoulders where it's just, I don't know, I guess it's like straight or I don't know, boxy or something, I don't know. But just as long as you make a cylinder for the arm and then have the shoulder go across into the shoulder blade, then you have your shoulder. Then you have your bicep and your forearm. So as that's going in, you have the ribs. Then you have the legs. So I guess the legs I'm going this direction. And here, I guess I have the other leg. This doesn't really make a difference. I just have it go this way. like standing on something. So I could probably add like a little Thor hammer in there or something. I don't know. And you crunch the abs up. The head. That's just a basic form of just sketching out a body. And then later on, you can erase certain parts, change it, start adding the actual anatomy into it, like so. And by the way, this is how a majority or most artist sketchbooks look like. Looks like this. Just a bunch of random sketches or drawings, and never really, I mean, very few will have a finished product. The artists are always practicing in different forms and figures and drawing different things. And also, if you just draw a head, which I won't cover too much, because I guess I'll do that in future videos. You would take, let's see if I have one facing down. If you have trouble making them face down, just make a box. Let's see if I want this. Box down. Guys here. Just make the head. Keep the head within the box. Here. And there's your face down head. And also make sure that everything follows the circle path line going up. And when you're drawing the head, make sure you keep the indication that you're drawing the skull, but you're just putting the body into it. And when you're drawing a head, don't I would say don't be constricted too much to the the shape. Try to curve it or try to make it look organic. Doing this, or give it like a little bump for the neck. Don't keep it too industrial. It's all like squares and stuff like that, where it makes it where it just looks too unrealistic. And hopefully this should answer a few questions as far as doing these two things. I'll try to add more videos as I go along, as far as more tutorial videos to get more in depth into posing and drawing the head or drawing other things like trees, grass. And I also still keep doing my other content as far as my quick drawings, or was it quick time drawings, whichever it's called. Shading also. Alright, and I guess that I have it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more content like this or any more tutorials, let me know. Alright, thank you guys.